Hey you! Wouldn't you rather be outside right now? But we get it. It's not that easy. Where do you find the time? Where do you find the space? Well, meet the Inlet, our most revolutionary product yet. It's an origami folding kayak that's ridiculously compact, light, easy, and affordable. We believe in a world with more spontaneous adventure, the freedom to get outside and hit the water anytime, anywhere. We think your kayak should be this portable and super light. Did we mention easy to assemble? And wherever you paddle, it should feel like this. The Inlet is our easiest and most beginner-friendly boat, but it's not just some floaty toy. It's sleek, solid, and handles great in the water. To make this the world's most accessible kayak, we aim to drastically shrink our box size, assembly time, and production costs. We knew we'd have to completely reimagine our origami folding system. At first, we had no idea if this was even possible, but we kept pushing to make something amazing. We're proud to launch the Inlet, the world's lightest and most portable folding kayak. And we're doing it here on Kickstarter, where you, our community, have supported us through 5 campaigns over the last 7 years. We hope the Inlet will kindle your sense of adventure and just plain knock your socks off, whether it's in your backyard or in the middle of nowhere. We'll help you find your happy place and make it smooth, simple, and beautiful once you're there.